All right, ladies and gents, let's it's been 5 minutes. Let's check this thing to see if it's dry. It most likely is not, but it's good enough. Let's get ready to do the final or the third step. I think there's a fourth step, which is the painting, but right now I think there's a yellow something jacket, whatever that thing is called, wasp. Anyway, so let's us go and try to wrap this up before it gets dark. Sun is about to set, and I don't like to be outside after dark because this place here becomes like Minecraft, you know, some creeper, some zombie. After dark is out there, and after dark they come out. This Minecraft, this place is for me. After dark I don't come out. Puis ça c'est Minecraft pour moi. Depuis soleil aller dormir, nous c'est capon. C'est diable comme Minecraft qui a sorti des war. You get Fiji roll, you get baobal, you need zam, you get chou. Comme ça, depuis nous c'est qu'à venir. Moi aimé car on dit ouest de kai moi. Oh ben. Okay, so this is the chemical liquid surface preparation. So Wilbond, WILBOND. If you don't use this on the aluminum, the paint will fall right off. Or maybe you could use some direct to metal paint, but this old trick here has been working for me for the past 10 years since I started doing all of these. No, not 10 years. I mean the last 3 years. I got 25 windows, so I gotta be doing one or two or three every summertime. So Wilbon has been working for me. I'm assuming you could use the latest alkaloid or direct to metal paint. See, might work for you, but you could get this at some hole in the wall type of hardware store. Ace, I got this at Ace. Very carcinogenic. Now I mean, poisonous. The thing will kill you. Poison. It's a poison, man. Shit will kill you. Pas de play with the poison, bye. Pas jouer et puis poison. Poison qui va au cancer. Pas servir organe. Servir organe. Parce que si ça met la peau, ou bien aller sous la peau, cadavre, you can ver cadavre chaque côté. Alright, so don't let this get into your skin. Now I mean, because it's very carcinogenic. I'm half dead already. I'm close to 50, so it don't really matter. So you just get a little piece of glove, you get a rag, and I like to spread it down here like so. Just not on waste. That thing is expensive too, but it works really well for me. A few drops here. I'm actually wasting it because I gotta buy another can. I'm just gonna use up all of it, and I'm pretty sure some fell on my skin. Moi c'était timide tombé à sous là pour moi là, à sous pied mon. Okay, there's still a little bit left in there. Wilbond. Get a small rag, get a cloth, and wipe it, or you could just leave it on here like so. Let it sit there for like a few minutes, and then I must say, after you sand this thing, you can't really leave it like that overnight because it's going to oxidize again pretty quickly. Aluminum oxidizes fast. And by all means, I'm no expert at this. Some dude, he probably knows more than I do. I'm just going by what I've been taught by some old man a long time ago. Get some new updated information. And let's put our chemical from the 1970s back on the shelf. Some 1970s type of chemical. Chimic. Ok, apre nou mette apre nou ouzinye, nou mette sou alyouminom-la, nou ka porti torchon. Torchon sa, pou ka simen tout partout, kite ches titak. Now, the next step is to use, I like to use this primer here, but I also have the regular primer. But this one works fine. Rust-Oleum. This one works. It's a wood, but this is why I use that one, and then I paint it with that. You don't have to paint it with that. That's a primer as well. You could use it with the chemical here, but I like to use that one. Après mon servi wheel bond qui ende petit pouya sous aluminum-la, donc il servi paint and primer, painty et puis primer. And you open the primer like this. Yep. So let's get to spraying. Mi gente. Yeah, man. Let's get to spray. Boy, spray the thing, man. Spray the thing. Okay, let's see if it's dried up. Dried up, man. I think it's dry. Let's spray. Yes, as you can see, it's finished. Not finished, but it's I'm gonna let it stay out here in the night time. Let it dry. Tomorrow, if I'm out here, I'll make another video to show you how it ends up looking. Kind of prefer the spray can as opposed to the paintbrush because it doesn't leave any paint brush lines. Know what I mean? Alright, I think that's about it. Let me say a little thing in Creole and then wrap it up before the Minecraft world gets me. Moi service sprayer Un spray blanc, paint and primer. Mwen ke kite l dewa pou y chercher. Peut-être demain si Dieu veut, mwen ke vire là pour moucho comment y ka gade ou bien mwen ke ni petit way mwen ke fait yon des côtes petit mettez laisse petit à souille. Mais à nous quitter chercher là pour en soir là peut-être mais ni confiance dedans. Bon pas quoi l'applique à tomber. Peut-être qu'on c'est bête là qui marche à souille ou peut-être qui voler aller. Mais c'est comme ça moi t'ai quitté c'est ça à terre là et puis terre monter à souille. Oh ben on finit la jolie. Ça c'est tout. Peut-être qu'on peut faire aussi une vidéo encore. Yeah, I gotta buy more. I gotta buy more of this. All right.